one budget for development, one with these 30 wards to development for this financial year, when you're to say 20 million or 30 million per ward. So that your ward man kanyogo, the villages man kanyogo should be made possible, no get to make a structure or make the information or make a time to talk, to discuss and prioritize these issues because okay, this financial year, this 50 million, 30 million, 1, 2, 3 in that order. Bangman or the executive in the relevant ministries implement that one. The next government mobile the next financial year, this project can be finished.
Gigite, you watch Jopiny you the kanye, a county catch.
Jopiny you the kama. Jopiny okay. The first thing in Mondo, depending on who is Jopiny money go participate. Jopiny ni include mama, or include muse, or include youth, or include ngano man called ngol, or include the church, or include the professionals more retire, or include, and most likely, or include anybody more that a county no, a village no, a ward no, more year should be encouraged. To what must structure. Jopiny ka system of evidence tax society to Jopiny inyiso in advance. In advance mean ndala pargangwe no ndala
ilendo
motelo no kose ka villages osebedo known to administration no because of logistics mag transport financial whatever wanyalo keto village nyalo bedo 2 locations to bedo 1 village then girango a central place I tell me enough notice. I tell me this document make it work and engage go. And annual propose mondo in this government manyen. One of the reasons when you can introduce and you talk with the school. And again when we talk about budgeting, but that's a resource allocation, don't kiwa ginemak budgeting very cost and very difficult to understand. So the administration may be remote simple summarized details mag budget including katidoluo to give it the supplies in advance and then the leadership mag the villages go according to the agreement then